All right, so here we are now. We got a Fun with Plum Big Chap joint video here now. So over here we got Plum, we got Peach, we got Big Chap, we got Duke Johnson, and we got Prince of Pop. We got these 4 bottles of soda now. We got root beer, we got orange soda, we got Diet Coke, and we got regular Coke. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna shake them up, we're gonna throw them down on the cap, and we're hoping to get a real good explosion. All right, so Plum's gonna throw it down, shake it, throw it down right on its cap as hard as it can.
Try number 1
now. Ooh, all right, well, next up we got Peach. Come on, Peach.
All right, Peach.
Your turn. Oh, you're gonna do the root beer, Peach. You're gonna do the root beer there, Peach. All right, Peach, you're gonna throw it right down on its cap. Cap first now.
Try number 2.
Give it a good throw. Well, all right. All right, we got Big Chap is next. We'll see if Big Chap can get it. Come on now, Big Chap. Oh, there's Norma Jean. Say hi, Norma.
Try number 3.
Say hi.
Ready?
Yep. Well, this is stubborn. I think Duke Johnson can get it. Come on now, Duke.
Try number 4.
Here we go now. Oh yeah, right on the cap. Ooh, doggy mama now. Prince of Power. Come on, Prince of
Try
Power.
number 5.
You can do it. Here we go, Prince of Power. Ooh. Well, back to Plum.
Try number 6.
Uh-oh, we got... All right, here we go, Plum. Right on the cap.
Try number 7. Boom!
All right, Peach, here we go now. Give it a good... Well, all right. Well, I'll show you. She got me good. She got me good. Well, I guess that's what happens when you're the camera person now.
New bottle, orange Fanta.
All right, so that's what's left of the root beer bottle. Not much.
Try number 1.
Exploded all over old Papa. All right, Big Chap's up next. He's got
Orange Fanta.
orange.
Try number 2.
Here we go now.
Try number 3. Boom!
All right, Duke Johnson, you're up next. Come on now, Duke. You can do it now. Prince of Power. All right, I think you guys are all gonna need a bath after that now. Woo, baby.
I got covered.
Who's got soda on them?
Me.
All right, you got soda on you at all, Peach? Plum, did you get any soda on you? Oh, baby, the dit's drinking a soda. Come on now, Dit. Oh, did it? Well, all right. I guess this is his YouTube premiere.
New bottle, Diet Coke. Try number 1. Try number 2.
All right, here we go. Shake it up, Plummy. This is the Diet Coke.
Try number 3.
Woo! All right, Peach, you're up.
Boom!
All right, Peach, give it a shake and give it a throw now. Come on now. Woo! She's really aiming. She's really aiming for me. She's really out to get Big Pappy. All right, Chappie.
The winner for cutest on the lawn.
Ready?
Oh, yeah.
3, 2.
Woo! Woo!
I am covered in soda.
Woo, baby.
Oh,
All right, that went all the way from here
Regular Coke.
all the way into Duke Johnson's yard over
Try
there.
number 1. Boom!
All right, now we got the regular Coke. Here we go, Duke. Woo! Well, wow. Well, old Pappy, he's all covered in soda. I think we all need to go take a shower. Well, this is the aftermath here. We got soda running all over the driveway. We got soda bottles all over the place. That was some experiment there.
Thanks for watching.